Kaivalyadhama is organizing an international conference on yoga and cancer care from 4th to 7th of December. As we know, worldwide the cancer is increasing like anything. So yoga is a very helpful to boost the immunity, to increase the natural killer cells, tackling with stress, and many more benefits are there, especially for mental, physical and emotional well-being of a cancer survivors. So I am taking that workshop on 5th of December, and in that workshop I will be taking the simple yoga practices to boost the immunity during cancer survivorship. So in that, the kriyas are important to detox, asanas are channelizing the pranic energy in a more better, and improve the strengthens the neuromuscular, glandular and that muscular and also nervous system. And pranayam, very important practice to control the mind, even tackling with our brain health and conscious breathing. And mantra chanting, of course, the meditation. So all please come and join this workshop, join this conference and experience. Do get registration. We are doing online and on-site both. Thank you.